A hot day on the Union Pacific Springfield Sub delivered 3 Amtrak trains racing along the 110-mile-per-hour right-of-way. Speeding towards us is Amtrak 319 on its journey towards Springfield, St. Louis, and Kansas City. The Union Pacific Springfield Sub ran its first 110-mile-per-hour train in June of 2023 after nearly $2 billion of investment. The line sees use from 3 Lincoln service round trips, 1 Missouri River Runner round trip, and the Texas Eagles north and southbound sprints between Chicago and San Antonio, Texas. Now approaching is the northbound Texas Eagle pulling out of the siding at McLean, Illinois, towards its station stop at Bloomington Normal Uptown Station. The Union Pacific Springfield Sub also hosts a small amount of daily freight traffic, grain traffic, and intermodal traffic. Unfortunately, we were not lucky enough to see this. We returned to the line in the afternoon to see the Texas Eagle make its southbound run to San Antonio, Texas.